Difficulty comparing generated and Google Cloud Storage provided CRC32c checksums. I am attempting to get a CRC32c checksum on my local file so I can compare it to the blob.crc32c provided by the cloud library. Google says I should be using the crcmod module in order to actually calculate CRC32c hashes of my data. Modified file.txt has already been downloaded from a Google Cloud Storage bucket onto my local file system. The goal here is to set should_download to true only if modified file.txt has a different CRC32c on my local client versus my remote server. How do I get them to generate matching CRC32c in the event that my local file system and my cloud blob both have the same content? Unfortunately, it currently always fails as I don't actually know how to compare the checksum I built with crcmod to the attribute I am seeing in the matching blob object.
Here's an example MD5 and CRC32c for the gcutl public tarball. I'll copy it locally to work with. CRC values are usually displayed as unsigned 32-bit integers. To convert it, to obtain the same from the crookmod library, if you want to convert the value from crookmod to the same base 64 format used by cloud/gcutl.
From the linked documentation, CRC32c checksum, as described in RFC 4960, Appendix B, encoded using base 64 in big endian byte order. It looks like you are not decoding the base 64 string. If you are on a Windows machine, you would need to open the text file in binary mode.
In 2022 I still had trouble finding a definitive answer. Here's what I came up with that seems to work with large files.
I videoen passerer må et lesekonsentrert subskripting.